Heysen Trail and Flinders Ranges tour is a guided 6-day tour that takes you across what we believe are the 6 best trails that you can find along the Heysen and the Flinders Ranges.
As a fully supported tour, we've got 2 guides and a designated coach to get you to and from all of your walks, and we just carry day packs with the essentials so you can just relax and enjoy the walk.
Flinders Ranges offers sweeping views from ancient mountains, this beautiful arid landscape, as well as stunning walking through deep gorges that hide among the rolling hills.
Some of the highlights of the tour include Alligator Gorge, a beautiful slot canyon just on the way up to the Flinders Ranges, and then Wilpena Pound, which is a natural amphitheatre created by the mountains in the Flinders Ranges. We've got 2 walks up onto the peaks of Tandera Saddle and Olsen Bag that offer spectacular views back into the pound itself.
The Flinders Ranges offers a huge variety of native and endemic plants and animals. That's plants and animals that you can only find here in the Flinders Ranges.
There's an emu right there.
A lot of kangaroos, a lot of emus, a lot of wallaroos sort of just everywhere. A lot of beautiful birds. The parrots are lovely, you know, the little yellow-banded parrots, they're terrific. Beautiful little black heads, they're great.
Flinders Ranges is the home of the Adnyamatna people.
Adnya is the rock and Matana is the people.
Our guide, Christian, takes us to Sacred Canyon, where he showcases thousands of year old rock carving petroglyphs along its stunning walls, as well as sharing a little bit of language and culture of the Adnyamatna people.
Having done the tour, I feel now that I have a much better understanding of the Aboriginal culture and history and how important their storytelling is. It's opened my eyes a lot more.
At the end of each day, our walkers come back and relax at our awesome location, country rustic accommodation, and we cook you up a delicious meal.
The accommodation is great. The common room has got this big fireplace and it's nice to have a fire roaring on a cold night.
Just so impressed with the guides and their ability to turn up a fabulous meal at really good food.
Our guides provide such good, healthy, nutritious and such a variety of food, which is fantastic.
Quite a steep descent here along some steps.
We've been really lucky to have Ollie and Tom, and they've been terrific. They're really nice guys and very knowledgeable. I've learned a lot on the trip.
Our guides have been absolutely great. I've been blown away by what they know and they're so helpful.
While this isn't the most challenging walk you can find in Australia, it's worth noting that it is still challenging in some parts.
But it's hard work, but get there hopefully.
You've got to be moderately fit. I think you want to be walking a bit as a lead up to the trip, but you need a fair bit of strength to get up the hills.
I'm in my 70s and I had to prepare a little bit. It was challenging at times, but not too challenging.
This rock, it's 800 million years in the making and it's not going to go easy on your boots. So a good sturdy pair is absolutely essential. We are in an arid area, but it does rain out here, and when it rains, it absolutely pours. So a good, solid rain jacket is essential as well.
This week has been more than I expected. The landscape has just been amazing. Seeing the sunrise is fantastic. I would like to do this much more often.
It's a great way to see the Flinders. It's a beautiful, beautiful country. So they got great walks, get great food, great introduction to the Indigenous culture. You know, it's a great package.